Now this is the video regarding the half adder program that is made by using a method that is known as structural. We have done the behavioral and data flow type half adder. Now we can go for the structural method half adder. In any type of half adder we need to have XOR gate and AND gate. Now here I have made already program, so I am just opening. So I am opening the project named as K underscore capital HA, where HA is for half adder. So you can see that, you can see on the screen that half adder is opening. So I have written the VHDL code for half adder. So I am opening the file. I open the project. Now I am opening the file, the same file K underscore HA. So the file has been opened already. Here we can see that I have used library IEEE declaration, then use IEEE dot standard underscore logic underscore 1164.all. Then entity same as we have in HA, that is half adder, XY, that is input, sum and carry, that is output, standard underscore logic, that is a data type. Now architecture, in architecture we can see that I have declared two new things, that is regarding component. So I have used this component K underscore AND and K underscore XOR, where A and B, that is input, and C output, that is for K and B XOR input and C the same output for XOR. Now here I have already made the program for K and K XOR. I am adding, you can see on the screen, I am adding the same file. I am adding the same file by using add or remove or add current file. So for current file to open the file, so I am opening open file, that is K underscore AND. So I open, so I have used this project, add current file to the project. Then the next one is K underscore XOR. I have used both one to make a structural program for half adder. I have used both one K and K XOR. You can see that I have used the same AB as input, C as output, XOR AB as input, C as output. So I have half adder. For half adder, now you can see the program. Entity is the same as it was. Architecture almost same. The component, that is a new thing for you. So component that is declared K underscore AND, that is for AND logic with two input. Then I have used another component, that is K underscore XOR, that is for XOR having two input A and B and C as output. And here you can see that I have used the structural method. So for that reason I have to use the word, that is port map. So for the port mapping I have to declare the particular block with the name. The name is given as L1, where L1 is nothing but the block that defines L1 that defines the port map of AND gate. Whenever you are seeing a figure of the half adder, you can see that one of the AND gate is been drawn. The output of the AND gate that always gives you carry. So component L1 that defines AND gate, same as L2 that defines XOR. Whenever you are getting a sum in the half adder, that is always the output of XOR. So XOR has got the input AB. I have written XY. Why XY? Because in entity I have defined X and Y as input, standard score logic, and sum and carry as output. So I have to map the input and output pins of AND and XOR gate with half adder input and output. So half adder input, here you can see that AND gate has got three pins. A1, first one that is input, second one that is input, and third one that is output. So I have to define how to map the half adder pin, where input that must be one of the X, another input that must be of Y, and the output of the half adder for AND gate, that is carry. So I have written, so this basically represents the output of AND gate, that is C. So I have written carry instead of C. So I am mapping A, B and C of AND gate as X, Y input and carry as output. Same as if you refer the same thing. So L2 for the second component K underscore XOR. So I am defining XOR having two input. So in component you can see that A, B input for XOR gate and C that is output for XOR gate. So I am again mapping the same input of XOR gate as X as A, y as b and c as sum. So I have used the same structural method. I have used the method structural for half adder. I have used the entity a, b and c for AND gate, same as XOR a, b and c for X. You can change your you can change the name of your entity. I have used the same. So for that reason you might get confused, but don't get confused. A, b, the same word I've used, you can use your own, but the mapping should be clear. So this is what you can do with the structural method. Now this is how you can make half adder. Now how this looks like, how this runs. So here I am compiling this. So start compilation. This will take a few minutes. So you have to add 3 files. You have to add 2 more files, KAND and KXOR, if you want to go for the half adder with structural method. Data flow you have already seen, you know very well. In practical we have already made the program. This is the structural method which was remaining. So we use the compilation, the complete compilation. Now we can see 0 errors after compilation. Now I'll go for the file, new, and vector waveform file to plot the waveform. So here I'll get insert node, then node finder, then list, and all, and OK. Then OK. So this is what I am directly go for the functional simulation. So save, and we'll get the output. This would be the normal practice to get the output. Now I have not given any type of input, still I have got the output. So I have not given bins, I have given 0 0. Now I am changing the input, which x and y both are input. So I am changing my input. This must be 0 0, then this must be 0 1. So it must be 1, then it must be 1 0. So all the possibilities got the input side. This is what we got. Control S and save it. Then we'll go for functional simulation. Almost completed. So this is the output I'm getting, and we are giving 0 0 at the input side. The sum is and carry both are 0. If you are having 0 and 1, the sum is 1, the carry is 0. If you are having 1 and 0, the same as sum would be 1, carry would be 0. If you are having both 1, then carry would be 1, sum would be 0. This is the perfect output of half adder. I will go to, we'll go for the RTL viewer. So here the component, 2 listed component named as L1 and L2. This is the figure we are getting. X and Y both are input. This is L1, the first component. This is L2, second component. So I have not used any type of gate. I have used the component and I have made the program for half adder. So this is the half adder program by using structural method, and this is what we are getting. Thank you.